Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we're here on the Sky Ride at Dutch Wonderland. And we're going to be giving you a POV going from the front of the park to the back of the park. And if you know anything about me and this channel, you know I hate Sky Rides. But we do this for you guys because it gives a good bird's eye view of this park. It is Memorial Day, so we're going to be here showing you everything there is. Now right here in the front of the park, you enter through the giant castle. And as you come across, pretty much, we got decent crowds today, so. Now right in front of us here is Merlin's Mayhem, which is their newest roller coaster. They've got two adult / family coasters, and then they've got a kiddie coaster called Joust. But this is one of the slowest Sky Rides that I've ever seen, so we're going to be pausing and showing you everything we can. But right below me here is a gingerbread house. And actually, we're going to have a great view of Merlin because here it comes. That's a fun little coaster. I haven't gotten on it today, but I have ridden it in the past, and it is one of those family inverted coasters. I believe this one's a Vekoma. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section here, but it's right in the heart of the park, which is really nice. Nice little tunnel and all that. So that's Merlin. So you get a good view there. But if I look behind me here, that is the front of the park right there where you enter. Now this year we are actually doing the the Palace Parks, not Merlin Parks. The Palace Parks because we decided not to do our home park of Hershey Park. All right, so my worst nightmare came true actually. We actually paused for a second there, so I apologize. I had to pause. I do not like heights, but over there, the big thing this year seems to be Daniel Tiger, which I know Palace has the rights to because of Isle Wild, and their whole land is pretty much the Daniel Tiger. So we literally go right through Merlin here, which is a really neat addition if you think about it, because a lot of parks, they take down their Sky Rides. Here they don't take down their Sky Rides, they actually incorporate it. Now the one thing about this is the kingdom for kids, so there is pretty much everything here has to do with kids. So I know my kids enjoyed this park for a while, but then we started going more and more to Hershey, so we kind of lost them more. Sorry about my thumb there, guys. But right over here is the carousel down there, and then right there is one of the lack of a better word, we call them Linus launchers because that's how we know them as. And right there is the main Merlin station. Now, this is Memorial Day and it's been unseasonably cold. So because of that, you're not going to get the water park section, which is called Duke's Lagoon. So we're going to pause it again as we come to the next section. All right, so now we're over the next section here. Right there is the Linus launchers. Now, as we come over this way here, there's the pumpkin patch, which is one of the food areas. And if you know anything about Kennywood, they are famous about their pumpkin patch. So it's good to see they got one here. And then over there, the purple and blue coaster is called Kingdom Coaster, which was the original CCI coaster. So if you're a coaster enthusiast, that is a historic one there, CCI. Now, there's Merlin going back into the station. So this is got to be the slowest Sky Ride I have ever seen in my life here. So if you like the dangle by wires, this is the one for you. We're going to pause again because it's incredibly slow. All right, we took a little bit of a break there. So right below me is Market Square, where throughout the season they actually have a lot of vendors. So that's a nice little touch there. Giving you a quick little view here. A lot of trees blocking right here, but I gotta say, this is the slowest Sky Ride I've ever done, and I will never be doing this again. This is scary because I'm not in a box like the ones at Busch Gardens, and because it's so slow, it just really feels like you're just hanging out there. So I hope you appreciate this because this will be the last time I ever do a POV of this. Now, the neat thing over here is as we get closer to the end, so we got like 3 hours, I guess, but right there's a cute little slide for kids. Over there is Joust, and it looks like Kingdom Coaster's going, so I'm going to be jumping on that soon. But right below us here, we're going to be passing it in about, well, at the rate we're going, about 2 hours, is actually their dive show, which is one of the, shows that is the most popular here at this park. Over here is the Royal Raceway. A lot of kids rides here, but if you haven't guessed, this is themed to Duke the Dragon, princesses, knights, and all that. Right there's Good Shot Kingdom Coaster though. And there goes Kingdom Coaster. I'll be jumping on that soon. I've been on it before when it was actually the Sky Princess, so it has had numerous names. But as we slowly creep over this way, we're going to come to the dive, so let me pause it again. All right, we got close to the dive show, and there is a dive show today. So here is their stage, right there is their pool. You can see below there the divers are getting all loosened up because it's about 60 degrees, so this has not been a warm day for these guys. So they are troopers in their wetsuits because I doubt if that water is heated, but you can see the different levels of the, right there's the dives there, and there's one on the top. So this is a marquee show here at Dutch Wonderland, which has won numerous times Best Kids on Kids Park on the Golden Ticket Awards. So show you a little bit more of the dive. And I might actually watch it today because I am stuck here for a while. And there's their double log flume. I love their log flume here, and I might jump on that today if it warms up just a little bit. And we're paused again. That's always fun. But here we are near the end. You can see the end of it right there. But there is the dive show. Log flume and the whole 9 yards. So if you've been to Dutch Wonderland, let us know in the comment section. And if you want me to do more POVs like this, let me know. Because if you're watching them, I'll keep doing them. But if you're not watching them, I can definitely skip this. But make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We are hitting 40 parks. This is our 9th park of the year. And have yourself, and well, you know what? Have yourself an amazing day.